Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe, someone wants to say hello first.
I crave cheese.
You crave cheese. Anyways, my boy was saying that he was craving cheese. For today's recipe, it is from Hungary. It is called bagli. You can find it in most European countries, especially Eastern European countries. It is walnut and poppy seed rolls. You can find it almost every time, but it is almost like a must to have it for Christmas and New Year's Eve. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. This is 4 cups of enriched flour with quarter cup of sugar, 2 teaspoon instant yeast, and a generous pinch of fine sea salt. We're just gonna mix it and then make well in the center. I'm gonna separate 3 eggs. We're just gonna use the yolks for now, for 3 yolks with half cup of milk. You can use water actually, but I like to use milk. So again, 3 yolks, and the milk you use, it can be almond milk, cashew milk, regular milk, dairy milk, it's up to you. Now we're gonna add half cup milk first, and then we add as we go along if we need it, and each time it's like quarter cup. We're gonna need in 1 cup butter and 1/3 cup of sour cream. Once become a dough, wrap it with cling wrap, let it rest while we prepare for the filling. Now for the filling, we're gonna grate some walnuts until fine meal, until you produce fine meal. We're gonna make the walnut filling first. So this is half cup of sugar, 1.5 cup of walnut meal, 2 heaping teaspoon of grated orange rind, and about less than quarter cup of water. We're just gonna bring it to boil until everything combined nicely. Now set aside to cool down while we make the poppy seed filling. For the poppy seeds filling, this is 1 cup of fine poppies that you had to grind first until fine meal, 1 handful of raisins, 1 heaping tablespoon, 1.5 heaping tablespoon of grated sweet orange peel, and enough of honey. This is whipped honey, enough sweetness, so this is about a 1/3 cup if not more. And squeeze the orange, so this is 1 whole of orange juice freshly squeezed, and now we're just gonna mix it again or boil it. Yeah. Now that all the fillings are ready and cooled a bit to room temperature, divide your dough into 2. So one you're gonna fill it with walnut, and the other one with poppy seeds. And we're gonna work on one first, and we're gonna roll this flat. Just roll flat into a rectangle. That it's rolled flat. We're gonna spread our filling all over, and then we're gonna roll it as you would cinnamon roll. Once you spread the filling, fold this side to this side. So you want to make like a pocket first, and then this side to this side before you roll it like cinnamon rolls, so it will hold the filling inside nicely and tightly. Like so. Now we're gonna roll it nicely, just like cinnamon rolls, like so. Now we're gonna roll the other dough. Now once roll flat, we're gonna spread the poppy seeds filling. So roll the same just like you will cinnamon roll and just like what you did with the walnut filling. Now poke holes everywhere, all over your rolls. Then we're gonna brush it with egg white. Once you poke holes, just brush it with your leftover egg white. Some people like to brush it with milk. Some people like to brush it with yolk. I don't want to waste my egg white, so we're just gonna brush it with the egg white. Bake it at preheated 350 Fahrenheit for at least 40 minutes. Ta-da! It's nice while it's warm, but it's much better when it sits overnight. Like aging it for overnight. So it's perfect for Christmas Eve.